Lakdi Education Society, Sangli, Chandranarayan Baldwa English School, Jaisimpur, subject Geography, Standard 8, created by Mrs. D. S. Kiledar. Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn topic number 9, map scale. Surveying and map making. In a map scale, it is essential to correlate the distance between 2 points on a map and the actual distance between these 2 points on the ground. The ratio of the map's distance to the ground distance is map scale. To draw a map true to scale, it is essential to know the ground distances. These distances are measured during surveying. While preparing a map based on the distance, a suitable ratio is selected. After the preparation of the map, it is necessary to maintain the map scale. This facilitates map reading and helps in understanding the distance on the ground. Map scale. Map scale is an important element of map. The ratio of the map distance to the ground distance is map scale. To show the actual ground distances onto the paper, some geometrical and mathematical conversions are made. It is necessary to mention map scale in a map. Map scale facilitates map reading and helps to know the actual ground distance between any 2 points shown in the map. Here are some types of map scale. First one is verbal scale map, numerical scale map, linear scale map, large scale map, and small scale map. First type is verbal map scale, a scale in which distances are expressed with the use of words indicating measurement is called verbal scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Second type is numerical map scale, a scale in which distances are expressed as ratio is called numerical scale. For example, ones are 1000. It is also known as representative fraction. Third type is linear or graphical scale, a scale in which distances are expressed by drawing graphical scale is called linear scale. For example, as shown here. Some importances of linear or graphical scale. Compass or blade of grass is used if the ruler is not available for the measurement. A thread is used for measuring the curved distances between 2 points shown in a map. Fourth type is large scale maps. When a particular part of ground covers comparatively more area on a map, it is called large scale map. A map having a numerical scale of 1 sa 10,000 or less than it is called large scale map. Maps of villages, church, agriculture fields, etc. are the large scale maps. Small scale map. When a particular part of ground covers comparatively less area on a map, it is called small scale map. A map having a numerical scale greater than 1 sa 10,000 is called small scale map. Maps of state, country, continent, world, etc. are the small scale maps. Maps in an atlas are the small scale maps. Importance of map scale. When the map is reduced or enlarged by taking its photocopy, the verbal and the numerical scale on the original map does not change. However, the linear scale drawn on the original map changes as per the changing size of the map. Thank you.